Hello my dear students, I am Dr. Anamika Ahirwar going to take lecture on KDD process. Previously I had discussed about KDD process model and I also discussed about a KDD process model, that is academic research model. Now in this lecture I am covering the second process model, that is industrial models. So let's start. Industrial models quickly followed academic efforts. Several different approaches were undertaken, ranging from models proposed by individuals with extensive industrial experience to models proposed by large industrial consortiums. Two representative industrial models are the five-step model, which is given by Cabinina et al., with support from IBM, and the industrial six-step CRISP-DM model, which is developed by a large consortium of European companies. The latter has become the leading industrial model and is described in detail next. So, in the CRISP-DM, that is cross-industry standard process for data mining, was first established in the late 1990s by four companies: Integral Solution Limited, NCR, Daimler, Chrysler, and Hora, that is an insurance company. The last two companies served as data and case study sources. The development of this process model enjoys strong industrial support. It has also been supported by the Aspirate program, which is funded by the European Commission. The CRISP-DM Special Interest Group was created with the goal of supporting the developed process model. Currently, it includes over 300 users and tool and service providers. The CRISP-DM KDP model, which is shown in figure 1, it consists of 6 steps which are summarized below. The first is basic understanding. In this step, the focus is on the understanding of objectives and requirements from a business perspective. It also converts these into a data mining problem definition and designs a preliminary project plan to achieve the objectives. It is further broken into several sub-steps, namely determination of business objectives, assessment of the situation, determination of data mining goals, generation of a project plan. The second step is data understanding. This step starts with initial data collection and familiarization with the data. Specific aims include identification of data quality problems, initial insights into the data, and detection of interesting data subsets. Data understanding is further broken down into collection of initial data, description of data, exploration of data, and verification of data quality. Now come to the third step, that is data preparation. This step covers all activities needed to construct the final data set, which constitutes the data that will be fed into data mining tools in the next step. It includes tables, records, and attribute selection, data cleaning, constructions of new attributes, and transformation of data. It is divided into selection of data, cleansing of data, construction of data, integration of data, formatting of data substeps. Now come to the fourth step, that is modeling. At this point, various modeling techniques are selected and applied. Modeling usually involves the use of several methods for the same data mining problem type and the collaboration of their parameters of optimal values. Since some methods may require a specific format for input data, often reiteration into the previous step is necessary. This step is further subdivided into selection of modeling techniques, generation of test design, creation of models, assessment of generated models. Now in the fifth step, that is evaluation, after one or more models have been built that have high quality from a data analysis perspective, the model is evaluated from a business objective perspective. A review of the steps executed to construct the model is also performed. A key objective is to determine whether any important business issues have not been sufficiently considered. At the end of this phase, a decision about the use of data mining results should be reached. The key sub-steps in this step include evaluation of the results, process review, determination of the next step. Now the sixth is deployment. Now the discovered knowledge must be organized and presented in a way that the customer can use depending on the requirements. This step can be as simple as generating a report or as complex as implementing a repeatable KDB. This step is further divided into plan deployment, plan monitoring and maintenance, generation of final report, review of the process sub-steps. The model is characterized by an easy to understand vocabulary and good documentation. It divides all steps into sub-steps that provide all necessary details. It also acknowledges the strong iterative nature of process with loop between several of the steps. In general, it is a very successful and extensively applied model, mainly due to its grounding in practical, industrial, real-world knowledge discovery experience. The major application of CRISP-DM model has been used in domains such as medicine, engineering, marketing, and sales. It is also incorporated into a commercial knowledge discovery system called Clementine. So this is the second model, and in the next lecture we will discuss the third model, that is hybrid models. So till then, thank you. We will see in the next lecture and we will cover the third model, that is hybrid models. Thank you.